clocked in at 7:30, but mentally, I'm still at home. Walk into the office earlier than everybody. Coffee in my hand, looking like the owner of the party. Laptop coding, face looking serious. 30 minutes later, still choosing playlist, ridiculous. Excel always open in case the boss walks by. All tab faster than an athlete qualified. Shopee flash sale, IG stories check. Work ain't even started, but I already took 6th grade. Urgent work all over my desk, but I say I'll do it later. Need another bubble tea before I become productive greater. Trouble department knows, but nobody says a thing. Cause even the manager doing exactly the same thing. Never late, never gone, but still doing nothing. Nazzing at my screen all day, looking busy like something. Typing on the keyboard loud like I'm saving the company, but really I'm just texting, yo, where we drinking tonight? Never late, never gone, but still doing nothing. Every morning I clock in, but my soul not logging in. Every time the boss walks past, switch screens lightning fast. Oh, whoa, my survival skills legendary. 1 p.m. exactly, sleep mode activated. Looking at a PowerPoint, but mentally vacation related. Somebody walking by, instant stressed expression, like I carry the whole company while watching YouTube sessions. Close to quitting time, suddenly MNT rise. Packing up my desk like I just won first prize. 4:30 sharp, standing by the scanner line. Never ready for the work, but always ready, clock out time. Yeah, clocking early, but my brain's still loading. Fake little tapping while the boss stay roaming. Coffee on the left side, phone on the right. Whole team working hard, I survived the night. Spreadsheet open, but I'm scrolling memes. Acting super focused while avoiding all my dreams. Corporate warrior with invisible stress, but the hardest task today was replying on Teams. Another useless meeting, nobody understands. Same fake energy, same recycle plan. Smile at night like I really care, but mentally already disappear. Never late, never gone, but still doing nothing. Sitting at the screen all day, looking busy like something. Talking loud, dramatic sounds like I run the company, but honestly I'm asking, did the paycheck hit already? Never late, never gone, but still doing nothing. Corporate life exhausting, so we fake it every day. Even when the work don't move, time still slips away. 5 more minutes till clock out, everybody alive again.
Hey everyone. Today was exhausting. Exhausting pretending to work.